Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Nachos Cheese Dip. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. I'm watching the Six Nations rugby on the TV this afternoon with a couple of cold beers. I already had some corn chips to nibble on while I'm watching, but corn chips without cheese dip is a bit, well, how can I put it, if it's not against the law it should be. Okay, the first thing you do to make our version of this dip is melt the butter in a saucepan. When it's nice and hot, add in the flour and mix round to a roux. Cook the rawness of the flour out for about 30 seconds, then it's time to add in the milk. And whisk well to avoid any lumps. When this is done, allow it to cook for a couple of minutes till it thickens up, then it's in with the chili powder. This is of course optional, but we like it. Next you add the grated cheese handful at a time and mix in well. When all the cheese has been added and mixed in well to avoid any lumps, add some pepper to taste and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Then remove from the heat and allow it to cool down for 5 minutes. Then serve with your corn chips. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like as normal. And hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Stay safe and bye for now.